I work for Charles Shackleton Furniture in Bridgewater, Vermont. Right now I'm carving the curl for a sleigh bed. I've drawn the curl on with this template by placing it on there and tracing around the curl with a pen. And now I'm going around the line that I've drawn and making a line to carve up against. So I'll come back and carve out sort of like that. Go around the whole curl with these gouges. As you can see, this is going to be the leg for a sleigh bed. Right now I'm carving the curl. So this is just sort of the beginning stages of carving the curl, roughing it out with the gouges. So this is just sort of the first pass around, and then I'll come back again and sort of refine this, make it a little bit deeper, and then eventually do a little bit of sanding, and it'll look like something like that.